Hello, it's Gazi here. Welcome back to a third part of the video. In the previous video, we just announced we're gonna start a newsletter. I announced to my Twitter, my Instagram, my LinkedIn, and wherever I could. I have also a little bit of unfair advantages. I have an Instagram account, Unable Korea, where I have tens of thousands of followers. That helps me to announce that. And I got around 300 subscriber right now. So I'm gonna write my very first newsletter. And I'm gonna show you how I do this. For writing this newsletter, I'm gonna use fantastic tool called Perplexity AI, which is one of the most advanced search engine right now. So we're gonna use it, and you can also use ChatGPT as well. What suits you, you can use. So let's get started. Here you go. Based on my own effort, I got 297 subscriber right now. So today we're gonna write our first newsletter. So I already write some of the newsletter, as you know, and most of my subscriber came from my newsletter, 64%. So as I have tens of thousands of follower on Instagram, so that's why I got it. So let's check it out here. So I announced to days or posted, and I also made ad with Sora, which also gives me a little bit of really good conversion rate as well. So you have to be creative more to in order to get more subscriber. So right now we just wanted to cover our how do I write our very first newsletter. Let's go to started post. I don't want to show you how to make a template, so you can go to youtube.com for behind youtube. You can get tons of resources here, how to pick out the templates, how to make this. It is more advanced and more playful to do that. So where you can go to website builder tutorials, which is more advanced. You can go to design tutorials, how could you designs, launch and integration, and a lot more things you can do it from there. So we just wanted to cover the main content. How do I write? Let's go use the template. So first we're gonna use the templates. So as I made already templates by watching this, can watch and do it by your own. Just pick up my own newsletter templates, use these templates here. So this is one of my templates. So this is monetized. I already monetized my newsletter. Right now I'm making around $50 a month. So we just do cover later. So but for right now we just wanted to do these sections. Okay, here is my old newsletter written. I took this from right away. So right now we just wanted to go to Perplexity and make a prompt. So there is a very super prompt here. So you can also take a screenshot and write by your own. So just look at that, the morning breeze style, create a newsletter prompt and write the concise. And then there's a huge thing. I will give it to resources. You can check it out to gazimasud.com/email marketing. So you can get this prompt as well. All you can do, you can go to my prompt engineering. So right now you will not just copy and paste. Okay, this is not the thing. You have to check it out, and you have to add a little bit of more than just written here. And you can also have to check the articles of when it was written. For example, is date. So this date is latest. So I recommend to use Perplexity. Perplexity gives you the most latest things, what happening here or what happened in right now. So you have to read them out very properly and write by your own, and you have to paste it out here. So there is the main basic stuff to think. But for time, if I do that and read and research, it will take a lot of time. You have to learn about a little bit of copywriting. So I will give you copywriting resources as well. So for saving the time, I have to just copy and paste and make the newsletter publish for live for you, and then we will improve over time. So the first news is soul searching and this. So I will paste it up here. Top news. So I just put it here, copy here, one and only. You have to take that where you have to improve. But right now, for the time, I'm not gonna show you how to do that. So we just wanted to save the time. So there is no picture here, so I couldn't take the picture. I have to make the text a little bit of black color. Fine. We have also this just copy, and after pasting all of them, you have to fix them later. If there is any picture, you can take the address from here, inspect here, but not know any picture. What is important is seem to you. You can copy and paste it to there, and it will show it the real picture as well. So you copy and paste it here, but you have to make it the real color, So all you have to do, you just text color black. Okay, there is a one section that has been completed. The second sections, and right now you have to see where you have to improve, just like a human written content. So you copy and pasting is not means I'm just saving the time. You have to read the full articles. Where is a pinpoint to do that? Where is the thing you can add or remove to in order to make this more comfortable, more easy, more valuable. So just for very first newsletter, we are just doing like that. But in the future, we have to know about a little bit of copywriting and refining the thing. So the new sections we arrived is a business and economy. Copy and paste it here. There is all the things, and you have to put a link later. Where is the news came from? You have to do as well. This is gonna be cut it off. Okay, I cut it. I have to explore more about it. So economy, there is a huge thing published here. So I just looking for a bit of pictures. So what is the pictures I could take? I'm just wanted to show you. Here you could able to, and you can also take the pictures. I'm just wanted to take the image address. Here is not the image addresses has been here. Okay, no problem. We just wanted to see in other sections, or maybe it will work like that. Let's see, we'll change the pictures or not. If it's possible, then we can change the picture, or it will not be able to do that. Okay, that's fine. And as you just finished this, right now is a cultural part. So all you can do, as we made differentiate with the divided with the sections, so we can do is duplicate this. We made 3 more. Now I will cultural and society. We'll take this, paste it here, culture and society, and we also copy everything we need. We have to think you also get the point. And there are quick hits here. So we have to take all the thing like this. You can delete this as well. And I will paste it up. I put a link manually, and you can also take this copy and just duplicate it here. And there you go. You got this. There's one fun thing, and there is the thing, and I also added the CTA, whether you enjoy it or not. And right now, as we got the things, we have to check everything we need to know, and copywriting and this and that. So we didn't finish the how to add like photos. Maybe you know how to do the things like here. If you go and put a slash, and you can get the sections here, the image, blog quotes, and everything is here, heading 1 and 2 and something. And you can also edit this, TikTok, Twitter, a lot more thing you can do with that. I just give you a glance, and then you can put a lot more things like this on for the next. I'm just not gonna publish right now. I will refine all the things and make it valuable for that. And next is, if it's okay, then you can go to next. And you can also do A/B testing like this with one you wanted to put it here. And you can also take title from here. Write me title and subtitle for the newsletter, and do A/B testing as well. So researching and subtitle is here, and B is here, and you can also copy and paste it. But this is the basic thing I'm just giving you, but you shouldn't do like that. Or you have to constantly ask yourself why people will read this The previous text was like that, like subject line or A/B testing. You can do subtitle is here, so searching and A/B testing has been given. We missed it something. We missed it. Our subtitle, title and subtitle is here, and I have to cut it off. Title you can also edit from here, and subtitle put it from here. That's okay. Email and subject line A/B testing. It's here. Everything is well. There is a web. You can also close this and post a thumbnail. Which thumbnail you would like to put it here? It is my previous pictures. I haven't added any pictures today, so that's why it's not shown here. But probably you might have a new pictures. There's a pop-up. You can also gather. So without on web, without email, you couldn't read. If you get this gathered and pop up, there will be a list of messages. So whether you are interested to subscribe or not, there's the thing. So comments is all subscriber or only paid subscriber. You can differentiate to paid subscriber or whatever, and you can also setting meta titles on the web page. Also, I just keep it right now like this. We will do more advanced in the future. So there is a review time when you would like to publish. You can also schedule, so you can also publish. If schedule is here. If you schedule that, you can edit later. So it's 19. I will put 20. So right now 90 is 3:43. So I will publish this newsletter is 8 o'clock, for example. Okay, 8 o'clock. So scheduled, and there is a 4 hour 60 minutes later from now. So I just published. So that said, you can also share to X, Facebook, whatever from here if you want. But right now we're just gonna close. And one thing you can do is you can also edit is as well from here, like this one. Before publishing that, you can also keep refining, and you should have refined, I guess, all the time before publishing this. So that's it for today. So I will edit by my own and then publish it. So I just show you can use the AI like that way, which will give you more advantages and more easy to write your newsletter. So thank you so much. I hope we will see in next video what to do.